100% most awesome and only way to treat your dog. This is the story of Nana, her beloved dog Fluffy, and her equally beloved granddaughter, Baby Electra. One day, while Nana was babysitting for Baby Electra, the most terrible thing happened. Baby Electra, who didn't have a dog of her own, began to play with Fluffy. To her, it was fun to grab at Fluffy's nose, to pull on his tail, and pull on his ears. Baby Electra would laugh as poor Fluffy tried to get away. Fluffy's yelps and cries just made Baby Electra laugh even more. Fluffy did give Baby Electra several warning growls. But Baby Electra didn't understand what Fluffy's yelps and cries and growls meant. To her, it was just funny. Finally, Fluffy couldn't take it anymore, and he did what dogs do when they're being tormented by children and adults who know better. So, whose fault was it? Fluffy's? Or Baby Electra's? Well, I think we all know the answer. It was Nana's fault. She never taught her granddaughter how to treat a dog. So here's Pino and her dog Bendy to show you the right way, the caring way, and the safe way to treat a dog.
Wow, that looks scary. Well, that's what it looks like to a dog when you reach to pet them before you let them sniff you. Now, this is the best way to introduce yourself to a dog. Always let them sniff you first. Well, Bendy must think that I'm okay, so I can start to pet her gently. But when I pet Bendy, I like to go in the direction that her hair grows. Bendy is enjoying this, and part of the reason is I'm being calm and building trust with her. Once a dog gets to know you, most like to be scratched behind the ears. Ooh, that feels good. Oh, yeah, that's the spot right there. Ah! And when a dog rolls on his back for you to scratch his belly, well, you know you've made a good friend. Now, I'm not going to give Bendy a treat like this. I'm going to have my hand open. That way she can just get the treat and not accidentally nip my fingers. Time to eat. Now I'm going to set her bowl down and step away. I'm not going to try and pet Bendy while she's eating or touch her bowl. Dogs don't really like to be disturbed when they're eating. Is she done? Nope, just a little bit more. I'm going to wait until Bendy walks completely away from her bowl. Then I'll pick it up. Yep, good job. Hey, it's time to play now. And remember, when you're playing with your dog, keep your hands away from their mouth. Now maybe your dog wants to take a break or hide. Just let them have their space. It's always fun to play pretend, but your dog's not a pony, and it could hurt them if you tried to ride them. Now, Bendy and I have a really good relationship because we trust each other, and she knows that I would never, ever hurt her.
So, the moral of this story? Treat your dog, your cat, your rat, your goat, your horse, your elephant, your blue whale. Well, you get the idea. All animals, the same way you would like to be treated, with tenderness, with care, and with love.